My dear brothers and sisters, let us make a short reflection on the baptism of the Lord. In order to help the reflection, let me read a short passage from the Bible, Matthew chapter 3, verses 16 and 17. And when Jesus was baptized, he went up immediately from the water, and behold, the heavens were opened, and he saw the Spirit of God descending like a dove and alighting on him. And lo, a voice from heaven saying, This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased. Jesus came to the river Jordan to receive baptism from John the Baptist. When Jesus came to receive baptism, John said, No, I have to receive baptism from you. And how it is that you come and receive baptism from me? Jesus said, Let it be so now. Let the righteousness be fulfilled. Let everything that is written about the Lord be fulfilled. And John consented, he gave baptism. What happened immediately after the baptism of Jesus? We find in the verses that the heaven was open. After the baptism of Jesus, the heaven was open. My dear brothers and sisters, we know that there was no need for Jesus to receive baptism, because Jesus was Son of God. Jesus wanted to set an example before us, and he wanted to tell us what is happening, what is going to happen after baptism. After the baptism, before every Christian, every baptized person, the heaven is open. This is an assurance, my dear brothers and sisters. The heaven is open before us when we receive baptism, because we are washed from the stain of sin, stain of original sin. We are in a state of holiness. So the heaven is open before us. So after baptism, before every baptized person, the heaven remains open. Then what happens afterwards? Afterwards, there is a possibility of committing personal sin. We are freed from the original sin, but there is possibility of committing personal sin. Then what happens when we commit personal sin? The heaven is again closed. Then what we have to do? After baptism, we find in the gospel passage that the heaven was open and the Spirit of God was descending upon Jesus. What we have to do to keep the heaven open before us? We have to live with the power of the Spirit, because when we receive baptism, we are given the power of the Holy Spirit. If we live with the power of the Holy Spirit, we will be able to keep the heaven open before us. We will be able to avoid the personal sins, actual sins in our life, with the power of the Holy Spirit. Then the next thing that happened, a voice from heaven, voice of the Father, Here is my beloved Son. How Jesus became beloved Son of God? By fulfilling the will of God. So after receiving baptism, if we always fulfill the will of God, we will be able to keep the gate of heaven open before us. If we do not listen to the will of God, then we will commit sin. Again the gate of heaven will be closed. So my dear brothers and sisters, when we receive baptism, one, the heavens will be open, and then two subsequent things that we have to do to keep the heaven open. We have to live with the power of the Holy Spirit, and we have to fulfill the will of God always. That way we will be able to keep the heaven open before us. May God bless all of you and grant a happy and blessed day. Thank you.